we're looking great today. Absolutely great today.
My name is Amit. I am the General Manager of JW Marriott Pune. We are very pleased to have visit the Lexicon Institute of Hotel Management. Nasser is a very well-known friend and an industry colleague for the last 15 years. I got a chance to see the Lexicon Institute today, and I think I'm truly amazed with the kind of detailing that's gone into this college of producing next-gen hoteliers. I'm very confident that this hotel college is going to produce some industry legends in the next 3 to 5 years, and we hope to see them in the industry very, very soon. Today, we also got a chance to review the curriculum of the college. We had some industry veterans. We had a lot of GMs from the industry, along with 𝗘𝘅𝗰𝗶𝗴 himself. And I'm so glad that Nasser, being a hotelier, and obviously having some governing councils of some respectable individuals from hotel industry, they've put down academic council and they've put down the curriculum in such a way that the hoteliers of next gen are going to make the best out of it. I wish Lexicon Institute of Hotel Management all the very best. I look forward to visiting this campus more often now. I also would like to thank the faculties today who were able to kind of present the whole curriculum to us, and I wish you all the very best once again. Thank you.